Hi friends, Val here, and I'm back and excited to show you a box that I packed for Operation Christmas Child. This is a box for a 10 to 14-year-old girl, and it has a panda theme. I've seen a lot of panda theme boxes, and I'm excited to show you mine. I packed it in a regular Operation Christmas Child cardboard box, and so when she opens it, she will see that I decorated the lid. I just used a gift bag that I got at the Dollar Tree. It was double-sided, and this is actually the second panda box that I've packed. And so I cut out the pandas that were on either side of the bag and used the bag to decorate my lid. And I added the phrase, "Jesus loves you." So when she opens her box, the first thing that she will likely see is her panda bear duo. These are Thai Beanie Babies. They're both panda bears, a little different style. They're real cute. I left the tag on because I think the charm of Beanie Babies is the poems on the tags. And this one has the name Fortune, and it says, "Nibbling on a bamboo tree, this little panda is hard to see. You're so lucky with this one you found. Only a few are still around." And this one is called China, and it says, "In the mountains you'll find me, sitting near a bamboo tree. You'll laugh at such a funny sight. I only dress in black and white." So for the older kids, I leave the tags on, the Beanie Babies. She will see a container. This is just a round metal container, and I decorated the container inside and out. I put a flower on the top, put some ribbon around the side. It's magnetic on the bottom. So when she opens it, she will see, I hope that the girl who receives this box likes bracelets because she's getting a lot of them in this box. There's a little bracelet, has a little pretty sparkly jewel on it. She has a cross necklace. I put these in just about every box. I get them from Hobby Lobby. She has a couple of little flat panda bear erasers. She's got a 3D panda bear eraser. She's got this little wooden panda bear figure. It's magnetic on the bottom, and so she could put it on the bottom of her case and display it that way. If she can, I do have a note in here saying that this container is magnetic, so maybe she'll be able to figure that out. If not, it's just a cute little decorative bear. I have a note, like I said, in the box that says, "Pull on ribbon to pull round tabs out. This is magnetic, will adhere to a metal surface." So if she pulls on this ribbon, the inside comes out. It's just stuffed in there accordion style. And then because it's magnetic, she could hang it up on a metal surface and it'll hang down. I was going to write on here, but I decided not to. I was going to write my note, but I decided maybe she would rather write on it to decorate it. So if she doesn't hang it up or doesn't have anything metal or doesn't quite understand, then she can just tuck it back in and just keep her things in it. Her erasers, her little panda bear, her bracelet, her cross necklace. So that's her little container. She has, I'll pull the notebook out. She just has an ordinary notebook. It's just black. I added this little panda bear sticker, and sometimes I write the note to the child just right inside the first page, and that's what I did here. She has colored pencils. She has a hair scrunchie, black polka dots, black and white. She has a toothbrush. She has a couple of beads, a black pair and a silver pair. Black and white kind of runs through this box. She has a tote bag, all neatly folded up into a case, black and white. She has a collapsible water bottle. It's difficult to fit full-size water bottles in a shoebox that's packed, stuffed full, but I ordered these from Amazon. They come 10 to a pack. Elite Tech Gear, Hydration on the Go. They come 10 in a pack, and they're real easy to pack. And I tried one out. It didn't leak. The cap fits on tight, and I just love them. She has a collapsible hairbrush with a compact mirror. She has, like I said, she has a lot of bracelets. I make these bracelets. When I was going through some of my daughter's things, my daughters are all grown up and out of the house, but when I was going through some of their things, I found my daughter's old rainbow loom that she had when she was, I don't know, 10 or 12. And I went on YouTube and I figured out how to make a bunch of different bracelets. And I make them and I put them in my older child boxes. I don't put them in the younger 2 to 4 because if they break, I don't want them to be a choking hazard. And I make several different styles. I know with elements and rubber bands, they may not, last. Certainly not forever. But I always put in more than one because if one breaks, then I think the child will still have one. And I really enjoy making them. And so, yeah, I always put in 2 or 3. So if one breaks, the child will still have one. So those are the rainbow loom bracelets. She has just a photo of my family. She has this little folder that has stencils in it. There's several different stencils in here. The one right on top is really cute. It is panda bears. So she'll have some fun stenciling those panda bears on her paper and then using her colored pencils to color them in. I think would be a fun activity for her. On the other side, I stuck some real cute panda bear 3D stickers. So she has a very cute dress. I got this at Old Navy on clearance. And it's just a cream color with tiny black polka dots. It's a size 10-12, and I think it looks pretty big. So that's her dress. She has a headband bow that's the same color as the dress. Thought that will look real cute with the dress. She has a puzzle, a panda bear puzzle. Got this from the Dollar Tree. It was in a box. I took the pieces out of the box, put them in a Ziploc bag, cut the top part of the top off the box so that she could see the image of the puzzle. And the box was just too bulky to put inside the box, so I took it apart. She has a pencil pouch that's a panda bear. I think I got this at Five Below, but it might have been Walmart. I know I bought a bunch of pencil pouches at Walmart, and this may have been one of them. Um, so it has the 3 holes in it, like the type of pencil pouch you would put inside a 3-ring binder. I just added these little dog tags that I get from Hobby Lobby. They come in a multi-pack. Sometimes I'll add them to any kind of pouch that I pack in a shoebox that has a zipper, because I just think they're a real cute thing to add. Sometimes I just put them right through the little hole in the zipper, but I added them to the holes for the, for if you put this in a 3-ring binder, and they're real cute. This one says God is love. This dog tag says be strong and courageous. Joshua 1:9, and this one says love the Lord. And inside the pencil pouch, I packed several pencils. These are Ticonderoga. They came pre-sharpened, so I put washi tape over the lead so that the lead doesn't get all over inside the pouch. This one I didn't sharpen. It's just a cute novelty pencil with polka dots and a eraser cap that's a rainbow. I packed a couple of other novelty pencils. This one just has confetti on it, and this one has smiley faces. I hit the jackpot at Michael's and found a bunch of multi-pack pencils, novelty pencils on clearance. I bought a bunch. She has a ruler that is also a snap bracelet. I pack these in just about every box because they're really inexpensive. They come 4 to a pack. You get them in the party section at Walmart. Some of them are 97 cents. Some are a little more expensive. But not only are they a cute bracelet, but they're also a ruler. Great for school. And I tried them out, and they don't go completely around my wrist, but just about. So I think they're good for all ages. So she has a pink highlighter. She has some dry erase markers with a dry erase eraser, and I'll come back to that. She has a cute pair of scissors. This is a pair that I got in a big box of scissors that an retired art teacher friend donated to me. She has just a regular Ticonderoga eraser from the Dollar Tree. It came in a multi-pack. She's got some ink pens, blue, black, and red. She's got a glue stick. She's got just another pencil cap eraser there, and that's what she has in her pencil pouch. She has this little, got this from the Dollar Tree, just this little Barbie figurine, Barbie princess figurine. She has a couple pair of underwear, I put in a size 12, and then I got these on clearance at Walmart. They were just in a big bin in the aisle. It's a ladies size extra small. So if you hold it up to this size 12, it's not that much different. So it's real cute, real pretty colors, lacy. She's got a pencil sharpener, a Panda pencil sharpener that says yay. She's got a little nail kit, a manicure kit, a nail clipper, a nail brush, little nail files, and this is real cute. It's pink and it has like rainbows and clouds on it. Real cute for an older girl. She has a couple pair of socks. She has a purple pair. She has a pink pair with yellow hearts. She has another hair scrunchie. Has kind of silver sparkles on it. Black with silver sparkles. She has a bar of soap and in a baggie along with some Q-tips. She has another friendship bracelet in here that says be cool, and it's kind of a turquoise and black and white. She's got a couple of hair ties, black and white. She's got a couple of hair clips that are black. She's got some lip balm, and she has a few band-aids in here. So just a little hygiene kit. She has a cross-stitch kit, and I can't remember. I think I got this at the Dollar Tree, but it might have been Michael's. I just don't remember. But it has the yarn and the needle and everything that you need to cross stitch this beautiful, colorful heart. And she has a journal. I get these in multi-packs at Hobby Lobby, part of the Playside Creations collection. This is the larger size. There's also a smaller size. They come 3 to a pack. I love to buy these when they're on sale, 50% off, along with lots of other Playside Creations items. Scissors, noisemakers, whistles, stickers, those cross necklaces, hacky sack balls. I just love them. Lots of great things for a shoebox in that collection. I love these journals because the inside has decorative pages and lines. I love journals with lines. She has this book that I got at the Dollar Tree, Wild Animals. It has a panda on the cover. It's just filled with lots of great illustrations of all kinds of animals around the world. And I just marked the page that describes the panda bear with a bookmark. So, not that she might not be able to read the English words, but there's really colorful illustrations. And if she, learns the English word for the different animals, I think that's great. And so that's her Wild Animals book. And she has an adult coloring book. This one is floral. I got it at the Dollar Tree. Lots of wonderful pages that she could color with her colored pencils. Lots of different floral images. And last but not least, she has her playmat. I've described these before. These are playmats that I make with scrapbook paper, and I cut the scrapbook paper in half, and then I laminate each piece. I tape them down the middle so that they'll fold on this side and also this side. The back side is plain white, so this side can be used as just a play mat. You can lay this on the floor or the ground and use it to draw on, play cards on, put your puzzle together. Just a clean, flat surface. And then the flip side can be used as dry erase, and so that's why I include the dry erase pens and the dry erase eraser. So just to quickly show you, don't want to write too much on here because I want to preserve the pen, but she can just draw or write, and then I include a little dry erase eraser, and it erases real nice. So then she can just start all over again. So that is my panda box for a girl in the age range of 10 to 14. And I hope you enjoyed watching. I've seen a lot of panda boxes out there, and I was inspired by all of them. And so I hope you'll leave a comment with your ideas, suggestions. I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Thanks for watching.